Lenders use credit scores to assess a borrower's credit risk. Credit risk is the risk that a borrower will default on their loan. Risk-based pricing is the practice of setting interest rates based on a borrower's credit risk. Borrowers with higher credit scores, indicating lower risk, receive lower interest rates. Borrowers with lower credit scores, indicating higher risk, receive higher interest rates. Credit scores provide an estimation of risk associated with lending. These scores can be derived from various metrics. In this course, we will utilize the metric known as the probability of default. The probability of default is one of the most common metrics, representing the probability that a borrower will default on a loan, which means they fail to repay it. Here is a high-level overview of credit scoring with risk-based pricing. All loan applications undergo the scoring model. Those that do not meet the minimum score or threshold are rejected. Applicants who surpass the threshold are categorized into different pricing groups based on their scores, ranging from, for example, excellent to fair. The higher the score, the better the pricing group, resulting in lower interest rates for borrowers. This lecture is part of my new Udemy course. To access the entire course for free, use the link provided. Please note, this offer is limited to the first 100 students. Use the coupon code SCORING100 or click the link in the description. If this code isn't valid anymore, you'll find an updated code in the video description. In this final slide of the section, I would like to acknowledge the source of the visual elements I use in this course. All vector illustrations were downloaded freely from FreePic, a popular image bank website.